Hello everyone, I Sneha Kumari of St. Wilfred College for Girls from BCA final year is going to explain you a topic in Java. So here we start. Topic is inheritance.
Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. That is, जो जावा में इनहेरिटेंस वो एक ऐसा मैकेनिज्म है जिसमें कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे पेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट के सारे प्रॉपर्टीज और बिहेवियर को होल्ड करके रखता है. इट इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग सिस्टम. ये एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग सिस्टम का, जिसे कि अपन oops भी कहते हैं. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon an existing classes, which when you inherit from an existing class, we can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. जब अपन inherit करते किसी भी existing class को, तो अपन उसके methods और fields को reuse कर सकते parent class की को. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class. बाकी अपन जो करंट क्लास यूज कर रहे हैं उसके कितने भी मेथड्स और फील्ड्स ही बना सकते हैं. Now we look upon types of inheritance. On the basis of class, there are three types of inheritance in Java: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface later. Here, first of all, we see single inheritance. When a class inherits another class, it is known as single inheritance. Let's see an example. Here, superclass is one class which is inheriting the properties and all the behaviors of subclass, that is that another class. Next is multi-level inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. Here the diagram. First of all, on the top there is a superclass and there are two subclasses, subclass 1 and subclass 2. Here, subclass 1 is inheriting all the properties and behaviors of superclass, and subclass 2 is inheriting all properties and behaviors of subclass 1. Here all the three are interconnected. They are forming a chain that is called as multi-level inheritance. Next, hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherit a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. Here a diagram, superclass, and there are three subclasses, subclasses 1, subclass 2, subclass 3. And all three subclasses are inheriting all the properties and behavior of superclass. Next is multiple inheritance. When one class inherits multiple classes, it is known as a multiple inheritance. Here is the diagram. There are two superclasses, superclass 1 and superclass 2, and a subclass. Here the subclass is inheriting the property and behavior of superclass 1 and superclass 2. Next is hybrid inheritance. It is the combination of single and multiple inheritance. As the diagram shows, there is a superclass and three subclasses. All the three subclasses is inheriting the property and behavior of a superclass. Now here we can see a point, that is, by interface you can use multiple as well as hybrid inheritance. These two inheritance are Java are used by interface properties.
That's all on this topic. Hope you all understood it and liked it. Thank you all.